Eva is baking cakes and cookies. For every 1 cake, she will bake 2 cookies. If Eva bakes 3 cakes, there's 1 cake, 2 cookies. If she bakes 3 cakes, how many cookies will she bake? So I've gone from 1 to 3, that means I've times by 3. So I do the same this side, so she'll bake 6 cookies. If Eva bakes 10 cookies, so this time from 1 to 2, we've got 10 cookies on this side. We've multiplied that by 5. We multiplied that one by 5, so it's 5 cakes. The ratio of red to yellow counters is 2 to 3. There are 20 counters in total. How many counters of each colour are there? You can colour the counters to help you. So you can colour them in to help you if you wish, but I know that altogether there are 5 parts. And to get from 5 to 20, I multiply by 4. So if I multiply each part by 4, then I'll know how many in total, and then I can check by colouring if I want to. So 2 times 4 is 8, so there are 8 red, and 3 times 4 is 12, so there are 12 yellow. Okay, colour them in if you wish, but together they equal 20. Tom has 5 green cubes for every 3 yellow cubes. He has 16 cubes in total. Draw a diagram to represent this. So he has 5 green cubes. So 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put G's in them because they're green. And then 3 yellow. So 3 yellow. So he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many 8s are there in 16? There are 2. So I need to draw them again. So that's 3 green, 4, 5 green, and 3 yellow. Esther is building a tower of cubes. The ratio of red to yellow cubes is 3 to 1. The tower has 6 yellow cubes. How many red cubes are there? So we start at 3 to 1. We know we've got 6 yellow, so we can put 6 that side. So that's multiplied by 6. Multiply this side by 6, and you get 18. Nija plays 21 games of chess. For every 2 games she wins, she loses 5 games. How many games does she lose then? How many more games does she lose than win? So she wins 2 and loses 5. So the ratio of 2 to 5. So there's 7 in total. Okay, she's out of 7 games, she wins 2 and she loses 5. So out of 21 games, so that's times by 3, because 7 times 3. So if we times each of these by 3, we get 6. And times this one by 3, we get 15, total of 21. How many more games does she lose? Okay, so she wins 6, she loses 15, so she loses 9 more games than she wins, because 15 minus 6 is 9. Ewan is making a drink by mixing 1 part juice with 5 parts water. Complete the table to show the amounts he would need to use. So 1 litre, 5 litres, 2 litres, 10 litres, 4 litres, 20 litres, 100 millilitres. Okay, so that's 1/10 of a litre. So 5 litres would be 500 millilitres. 200 millilitres would be 1 litre. 300 millilitres would be 1.5 litres or 1500 millilitres. Now we've got 30 litres on this side. So remember, this is 5 times as much. So this would be 6 litres. And this one, 750 millilitres. Okay, so this is 5 times bigger than this one. So how many 5s in 75 would be 150 millilitres. Ewan makes 1 litre, 500 millilitres of drink in total. Okay, so he's made 1.5 litres of drink in total. How much juice and water does he need to use? So remember, the ratio is 1 to 5, 1 litre to 5 litres. That would make 6 litres. Okay, if he's got 100 millilitres, 500, that's 600 millilitres. Okay, so how much does he need to make 1.5 litres? Okay, so if that makes 6 litres, how do I get from 6 litres to 1.5? Well, we divide by 4. So 1 litre divided by 4 is 250 millilitres. Remember, these are litres. And then 5 litres divided by 4 is 1.25 litres, or 1,250 millilitres. So he needs 250 millilitres of juice, or 0.25 litres, and 1,250 millilitres of water, or 1.25 litres. A group of students study French or German in the ratio of 3 to 7. What subject has the most students? Okay, so for every 3 French students, there are 7 German students, so it's German. Okay, draw a diagram to represent this. So we've got 3 French students and we've got 7 German students. There are 80 students in total. How many more students study German than French? So if the ratio is 3 to 7, that's 10 in total. For every 10 students, 3 of them are French, 7 of them are German. So if we want to get to 80 students, we'd have to times each side by 8 to get to 80 students. So 3 times 8 is 24. 7 times 8 is 56. Together, let's just check. That makes 80. So how many more students study German than French? So what's the difference between 56 and 24? Well, it is 32. Describe a situation for each bar model. So there are 4 green cubes for every blue cubes, and it made a total of 28. Yeah? Okay, that's what it's asking. It's asking you to find that number of 28. So John has 28 cubes. For every 4 green, there are 3 blue. Yeah? John has 28 green cubes. How many blue cubes does he have with the same ratio? Okay, the difference between the green and blue is 28. How many in total? Okay, there are lots and lots of different questions you can have for that.